Cracks around door frames from house movement are super common but totally fixable if you know what to do. Okay, so first off, when you see those cracks popping up, don't just slap on regular caulk and call it a day. You want to use flexible caulking that can stretch and move with the house. It's like the house breathes and shifts, so your sealant has to keep up without cracking itself. Also, make sure the framing is done right from the start. Using proper techniques like allowing small gaps for expansion and contraction means fewer headaches later. If you're fixing an existing crack, clean the area really well before applying the flexible caulk so it sticks properly. And don't forget to smooth it out with a wet finger or tool so it seals tight and looks neat. Keep an eye on humidity and temperature changes too, because those can make materials expand or shrink, causing more movement. If you want to avoid future mess, talk to your contractor about using framing methods designed to handle movement, like installing shims or using backer rods behind the caulk. Honestly, being proactive with this stuff saves you from costly repairs down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cracks around door frames is using rigid caulk that just snaps when the house moves. Switching to flexible caulking fixes that instantly. Another issue is poor framing techniques where the frame is nailed too tight without room for expansion. The fix here is to loosen things up and use shims to allow movement. Lastly, ignoring moisture problems that cause wood to swell and shrink leads to cracks. Addressing leaks and humidity control prevents this kind of damage. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff about fixing issues like door frame cracks. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors to connect with people needing real help, making sure everyone gets the job done right.